test drive the 2016 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, power brakes, ambient lighting, braking assist, traction control, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.